Hi everyone. Let's learn about sports equipment today.
They help us play better and stay safe. Did you know that just 1 minute a day can boost your English skills? Hit subscribe and start learning with Daily English Prism. This is a ball. It is used to play the game of football on the field.
This is a racket. It's used to hit the shuttlecock in badminton.
This is a shuttlecock. It flies through the air in badminton.
This is a helmet. It keeps you safe while skating or cycling.
This is a skateboard. You ride it and do cool tricks.
This is a tennis ball. It's used in tennis and other ball games.
This is a jump rope. It's great for warming up and improving fitness.
This is a tennis racket. Players use it to hit the tennis ball.
This is a table tennis bat. It's used to hit the ball in ping pong.
This is a volleyball. It's used to play the game of volleyball.
Let's remember the names again.
Ball, racket, shuttlecock, helmet, skateboard, tennis ball, jump rope, tennis racket, table tennis bat, volleyball. Thanks for learning with us.
Give us a like, subscribe now, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching Daily English Prism. See you in the next episode.